Ever wondered if your online scheduling platform is keeping your clients' sensitive health information safe? In today's digital age, data privacy is more important than ever. If you're a healthcare provider using Bookafy for appointments, you're probably wondering, is Bookafy HIPAA compliant? What is HIPAA? Definition: HIPAA, or the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, is a U.S. federal law that sets standards for the privacy and security of protected health information, PHI. Importance: understanding HIPAA is crucial for healthcare providers, as noncompliance can lead to severe penalties and damage to your reputation. Bookafy's HIPAA compliance statement. Direct quote. Let's hear what Bookafy has to say about their HIPAA compliance. Insert a clip of Bookafy's official statement or a spokesperson talking about their HIPAA compliance. Key points. Summarize the key points from Bookafy's statement, such as HIPAA-compliant features, e.g., secure data encryption, access controls, and audit trails. Business Associate Agreements, BAAs, required for service providers handling PHI. Ongoing compliance efforts, e.g., regular audits, security training. Analyzing Bookafy's features. Deep dive. Let's take a closer look at some of Bookafy's specific features and how they contribute to HIPAA compliance. Secure data encryption. How does Bookafy protect patient data from unauthorized access? Access controls. Who can access patient information within Bookafy, and what restrictions are in place? Audit trails. How does Bookafy track user activity and identify potential security breaches? Business Associate Agreements. Does Bookafy require its service providers to sign BAAs? Real-world examples. Case studies. Let's hear from real healthcare providers who have used Bookafy and their experiences with HIPAA compliance. Interview 1. A doctor shares how Bookafy has helped them maintain patient privacy and avoid HIPAA violations. Interview 2. A clinic administrator discusses the steps they took to ensure Bookafy's compliance with their organization's HIPAA policies. Additional considerations. Beyond Bookafy, while Bookafy may be HIPAA compliant, it's important to consider other factors when choosing a scheduling platform. Your specific needs. Does Bookafy offer the features and functionality you require for your practice? Cost. How does Bookafy's pricing compare to other options? Customer support. Is Bookafy responsive to your questions and concerns? Let's summarize the key points we've discussed. Bookafy has made significant strides in becoming HIPAA compliant. Their features and security measures align with HIPAA standards. Real-world examples demonstrate the platform's effectiveness in protecting patient data. If you're a healthcare provider looking for a HIPAA-compliant scheduling solution, Bookafy is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.